Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change YouTube layout back to normal. So this is a very easy tutorial. This is the layout of the newest version of YouTube. Now the old version of YouTube is like it has small thumbnails and also small videos. So how are we going to go back with the old layout? So all you have to do is to open a new tab and then type Google Web Store, and then here under Google Web Store, what you're going to do is to click this very first link that appears and look for YouTube Redux. So you can go to the search bar or search icon and then type YouTube Redux. After that, what you're going to do next is to simply tap and add this to your Google Chrome. So this is what it looks like. Tap this one right here. And then after that, you have to click this Add to Chrome, and then after that, you have to click this add extension and wait as it is downloading and processing. Once done, what you're going to do is to go to this area right here. Then you will see this one. You can also pin this by tapping this extension icon and then look for YouTube Redux and then pin this one. Then you will see it right here. When you tap this icon, or when you tap this YouTube Redux, you will see that the feature or the layout of your YouTube has been changed. And that's how to change YouTube layout back to normal. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.